Stop scrolling! Did you know your stainless steel has a secret identity? Stainless steel isn't just one thing, it's a whole family of materials, and today, we're breaking down the 5 main types. First up, we have Austenitic steel. This guy makes up about 2/3 of all stainless steel out there. It's super tough, flexible, and resists corrosion like a champ. You'll find it in your everyday kitchen items like your trusty forks and spoons. Next, say hello to Ferritic steel. This type has a bit more chromium and less nickel, making it wallet-friendly and magnetic. Think car exhausts and architectural structures. Not as fancy, but definitely reliable. Now for the strong and tough, Martensitic steel. It's heat-treatable and offers high strength, perfect for knives and cutting tools. Always ready to get the job done. Up next, Duplex steel. This one's a mix of Austenitic and Ferritic, giving it double the strength and better resistance to stress corrosion. The oil and gas industry loves this stuff. Last but not least, we have precipitation-hardening steel. Combining high strength with corrosion resistance, it's used in high-tech industries like aerospace. Talk about out of this world. So there you have it, the 5 types of stainless steel. From your kitchen to skyscrapers and even space, stainless steel is everywhere. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and don't forget to follow for more cool science facts.